Hi, KG is organizing seminar at different cities of KG centers. Here we are trying to introduce to our students and also future aspirants the achievements of our students and their experiences as they have felt while being part of KSG. But then I'm giving you some of those clippings for you. God bless, happy preparation.
Hi, good morning. So, I was one among you once upon a time. So, I used to sit front row में and it feels incredible to be here. Thank you sir for having me here. Thank you all for coming here. And I guess आप लोग 7 बजे से बैठे हुए हैं. So थोड़ा tired हो ही गए होंगे. Everybody is speaking. Rachit sir spoke for a long time. They've both spoken for a very long time. But I'm also going to speak for a long time. So yeah. Athar has spoken all about the philosophical part, which is very, very true. His optional is also philosophy. So, he's like totally philosophical. But it's very true. In the sense that if you really don't think why you're coming for this exam, it becomes very difficult. Because of course, yaar, every third day लगता है कि too much, can't do this. I used to feel the same thing. Every third day it's demotivating. Every third day you'll hear something like, oh उससे नहीं हुआ, उसका 5th attempt है, उसका 4th attempt है, उसका 3rd attempt है. बहुत demotivating लगता है. And ये सबको लगता है. So of course that is one thing what Athar pointed out very correctly, that if you're not really certain why you're here, आप बहुत easily demotivate हो जाएंगे. Right? So that is one part. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the preparation part more, because I think he's spoken a lot on it and I'll let him be that person. So right. So first thing जो मैं बहुत aspirants में देखती हूँ, you guys are not aware about the syllabus. Like if I ask you right now, please मुझे JS paper 1 का आप syllabus बताइए, I think ज़्यादा लोग नहीं बता पाएंगे. तो a lot of people don't go through the syllabus. They are not aware of what the topics are. So then I hear the question that newspaper में मैम पढ़ना क्या है? What do I really read in the newspaper? There's so much. So that is where knowing the syllabus helps you. If you've gone through the syllabus and if one thing you have to really memorize, it is the UPSC syllabus. So if you know the syllabus, अच्छा आपको पता है कि urbanization is the topic. If there's something reported about smart cities in the newspaper, automatically दिमाग connect करेगा, yeah, this is one thing which is important for my exam. So that is the art of reading the newspaper. When you're aware of what is the syllabus of UPSC, वो आपके दिमाग में ingrained हो गया है, internalize हो गया है, automatically newspaper reading will not appear such a big task. Like what Athar said, newspaper reading is extremely important. It is newspaper who will sail you through in prelims, mains, interview. Right? अभी तो आप prelims और mains के लिए, of course, we are normal people, we'll read one newspaper. During the interview, maybe 2 or 3. But right now, just one. It may be Hindu, it may be Indian Express, whatever suits you. Right? Now, what is the role of newspaper per se? Newspaper क्या करता है? It will make you aware, like what he said. You'll feel as if you're being part of history. You'll follow the events and everything. Of course, that will give you a very good understanding. तो जब आप सर के माई नोट्स पढ़ रहे हैं, आप KSG की वेबसाइट पे जो करंट अफेयर्स अपडेट हैं, करंट अफेयर्स बुकलेट पढ़ रहे हैं, if you are reading the newspaper every day, that is when you'll be able to memorize from the notes and from the current affair booklets. अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पढ़ेंगे in one fine day, at the end of the month you just open the current affair booklets, नहीं होगा. So न्यूज़पेपर कभी याद नहीं करते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर से समझ के बाकी चीज़ें याद होती हैं. That is how the link is, right? And of course, जैसे when we read the newspapers during my time, I'll again take smart cities का topic, it was very hot. So of course you knew it was hot, so of course you'll write smart cities, and जो भी रोज हर हफ्ते में कोई update आ रहा है, you'll keep on writing it. So that is how newspapers are important. Newspaper क्या करता है? Every day अगर आप उसी टॉपिक पे रोज कुछ ना कुछ आएगा, आप पढ़ते रहोगे तो फाइनली एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ जब आप वो करंट अफेयर्स बुकलेट उठाओगे, इट बी वेरी इजी टू लर्न. समझ रहे हैं बात? सो दैट इज हाउ न्यूज़पेपर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. अब न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग का टाइम भी बहुत डिस्कस होता है, कितनी देर पढ़ना है. सी whenever there's fast news, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कभी कभार होता है ना, you must be reading the newspaper, एक ही दिन में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हो गई. So of course that day it will take 2 hours, but not every day. I remember days जब 20 minutes भी लगते थे, 30 minutes भी लगते थे, 45 minutes भी लगते थे, right? So Athar, I think my phone is ringing, इसको silent कर. So yeah, so this is how newspapers are important. And newspaper duration, of course, on some days it will take 2 hours, but on other days it might even take half an hour. कभी कभार कुछ news नहीं आती. It's very slow news day, right? So don't get afraid of the newspaper. Newspaper has to become your best friend. That is reality. Athar said 60-65% current. I believe it's 80-85% current affairs oriented. Especially मेरा first attempt था, मेरे को तो हर चीज़ में लगा यार ये भी current affairs में था. This was also in current affairs. Interview is current affairs. So I think current affairs is very, very important. Each passing year, the exam is becoming more current affairs oriented, right? So, newspaper has to become your best friend. ठीक है? Every morning, sometimes it will take 1 hour, sometimes it will take 2 hours, but it will help you memorize the current affairs booklet. क्योंकि करना पड़ता है, although Athar did not, but I did. I read the current affairs booklets and they were important for me. Now, you know, every topper has a different strategy. But I used to read the newspapers and that made it very easy for me to memorize the current affairs booklets, right? तो ये बहुत important है, इसका कोई shortcut नहीं है, कोई excuse नहीं है of not reading, ठीक है? So first thing मैंने आपको जैसे बताया, be very very aware about what the syllabus is. That is how when you read the paper, it becomes very easy कि अच्छा this is important for me, this is not important for me, ठीक है? If we talk about general studies, one thing which KSG does it very well is that इनका एक हफ्ते या even more than that only they hold classes only for one subject. So you know for 1 week or so you'll have only polity, then you'll have geography. Why this is important? And this is important even for when you do personal study, because the topics are interlinked. ठीक है? So if for instance I have met people who say that okay one day we study polity, फिर we get bored, so the next day we pick up geography, then third day we pick up history. It doesn't work that way, because you know different topics are interrelated. ठीक है? वो link टूट जाएगी. And UPSC is all about interlinking. They really appreciate it when during mains you write an answer and you know somehow you can connect it with some instance of history, or somehow you can connect it with some instance of economics, some fact of economics. You bring in some geography into it. They really like it. And this interlinking is possible जब हर subject पे command हो, and that command is possible when you study one subject for at least 3 to 4 days. So even जब आप personal study कर रहे हैं, right? Don't give up कि ठीक है आज polity पढ़ ली, tomorrow I'll read geography. No. Polity का कम से कम do 20%, then probably of course you get bored, move on to the other subject. But there has to be a link. For instance polity में अगर हम executive कर रहे हैं तो ऐसे नहीं एक दिन president कर लिया, tomorrow we are doing history. President करिए, prime minister करिए, governor करिए, link समझ आएगा. ठीक है? So this is another thing which has to be very important. The exam is so vast, literally anything under the sun is asked. And when you are sitting for an exam of this magnitude, what really works is that you have a study plan. He spoke about a strategy. I will tell you that you need to have timetables. You need to have targets. अगर आप random पढ़ेंगे कि चलिए आज ये किताब उठा ली, कल वो किताब उठा लेंगे, you will lose track कि आपने कितना कर लिया कवर, कितना अभी करना बाकी है. तो वो हमेशा एक फिर पैनिक आती है, कोर्स पहुंच जाता है. That is what happens. So you have to have a study plan, you have to have a timetable, you have to have your own targets. Some people have daily targets, some people have weekly targets, some people have monthly targets. I used to make my timetable 3 months का एडवांस में कि 3 महीने मैंने ऐसे करना है, every week मेरा ऐसा होगा. You have to be very planned, because you know of course it's all about like of course you grow as an individual, your intellectual base enhances, but at the end of the day हमारा मोटिव है भी एग्जाम क्रैक करना. We have to be smart. एक स्मार्ट स्टडी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पढ़ाई आप बाद में भी कर सकते हैं टू बिकम दैट इंटेलेक्चुअल पर्सन. येस यू हैव टू, इट हैज़ टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी और बिकमिंग अ ब्यूरोक्रेट. But of course the mission right now is to clear the exam, right? So smart study is very important. And of course like what he said, कभी किसी का कोर्स कंप्लीट नहीं होता. I'll honestly admit मैंने अभी तक के medieval history नहीं पढ़ी. So I left medieval history. I did ancient and modern. Yeah. So और unfortunately prelims में medieval के question आ गए थे. So very sad for me as well. So topics छूटते हैं और सबके छूटते हैं. So ऐसा नहीं आप ही के छूटेंगे, आपका ये छूटेगा, किसी का कुछ और छूटेगा. So another thing, never make your strengths your weakness. For instance, I am from a humanities background. I never did science in school in 11th 12th, and of course science may not really strong. Of course you can improve science to an extent and you have to कि एक basic level आ जाए, but इतना भी नहीं कि आप science पे ही focus कर दें. And जो आपकी strengths हैं, जैसे मेरी strengths humanities था and I leave that and I ignored that. सबकी स्ट्रेंथ्स डिफरेंट होती हैं. आइडेंटिफाई आप किस में स्कोर कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल अबाउट दूसरे बंदे से कैसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स लाने हैं, ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स कैसे स्कोर करने हैं, राइट. दैट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट. तो सबका डिफरेंट है. फॉर मी फॉर इंस्टेंस पॉलिटी वॉज रियली स्कोरिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज आई एम अ पोलिटिकल साइंस ग्रेजुएट. तो मेरे लिए वो था, किसी के लिए कुछ और हो सकता है. सो सबका अपना इंडिविजुअल एक ब्राउनी पॉइंट वाला एक वो होता है कि दिस इज समवेयर आई कैन स्कोर गुड मार्क्स. समझ रहे हैं. तो ये आप लोगों ने खुद ने आइडेंटिफाई करना है. उसको कभी अपनी वीकनेस नहीं बनानी. वीकनेसेस को इम्प्रूव करिए ऑफ कोर्स, बट स्ट्रेंथ को कभी वीकनेस ना बनाइए, राइट. ये हमेशा मंत्र होना चाहिए. अबाउट क्लास मटीरियल, study coaching material, study notes and everything, I think they are very important. Of course we know we have to study Lakshmikant, of course we know we have to study Bipin Chandra, सबको पता है, सभी पढ़ते हैं. But time constraints इतनी ज़्यादा होती हैं that a lot of times you don't even complete the basic foundation books. Oh no, thank you. You don't even complete the basic foundation books that you're supposed to. होता है. So at that point of time class notes become savior. So I think class notes have to be done. एक भी क्लास मिस मत करना, एक भी क्लास बंक मत करना. सीरियसली मैंने कुछ बंक नहीं किया. Even if the teacher is boring, please do not. Because even if 2 hours का लेक्चर है, 5 मिनट जरूर कुछ बता के जाएंगे आपको. अच्छा ठीक है. तो वो 2 घंटे आप कैसे भी you are tired, you don't want to be here, but then you have to be here. You have to attend every class. You have to be very sincere. You've come a long way. A lot of sacrifices have gone into clay for making you sit here. Your parents must have sacrificed, you yourself must have sacrificed your job, your higher education, whatever. Like he said, not all of us are privileged. Only a few of us are privileged to have this opportunity. So a lot of things go into play. So bunking classes, not bunking classes is the least you can do. Being very sincere to yourself is the least you can do. सबका different span of study होता है. Some people 5 hours are okay, some people 10 hours are okay. I believe on an average 7 hours have to be done every day for. They are communicating among themselves. So on an average, I think 7 to 8 hours is important. पढ़ना है. It's UPSC. No escape. You have to study. Right. So this is one thing. The faculty at KSG is very very dedicated. You can, I think, अब आप खुद ही observe कर रहे होंगे. You see Khan sir always smiling at you. इतनी positivity आती है. You feel good about yourself. ठीक है, कुछ हो सकता है मेरा life में. So like he's brimming with positivity. The teachers are very hardworking, very dedicated. So please take full opportunity of that fact, right? When it comes to answer writing, नहीं पहले let's come to prelims only. So prelims में doing those mock tests is extremely important, क्योंकि पता है बहुत negative marking का चक्कर रहता है. यही सोचते रहते हैं रिस्क ले रिस्क नहीं ले. इतना तो लग रहा है this option is right, but यार B option also dicey scene हो रहा है. So what to do, right? So ये जो strategy है ये individual अपना खुद बनाता है कि how much risk I can take, how much risk I can't take. That will only come when you can only build that strategy जब आप mock test करेंगे. तो mock test everyday है, miss ना करिए, कोशिश यही रखिए, ठीक है. देन अब हम अगर आंसर राइटिंग में आ जाएं फॉर GS मेंस, आई बिलीव एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट है जो सबको फॉलो करना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर्मेट एंड इट फेचेज यू, लाइक आई कैन से इट फेचेज यू गुड मार्क्स. अब मैं कह सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक जो भी क्वेश्चन है, इफ इट्स ऑन, गिव मी अ टॉपिक, चलो स्मार्ट सिटीज़ ले लेते हैं. दैट्स माई, आई ओनली स्पीक अबाउट स्मार्ट सिटीज़ समहाउ. स्मार्ट सिटीज़, सो ऑफ कोर्स इट वोंट बी डायरेक्टली ऑन स्मार्ट सिटीज़. कुछ पूछेंगे एस्पेक्ट ऑफ स्मार्ट सिटीज़. सो ऑफ कोर्स इन योर आंसर योर फर्स्ट 3 lines शुड बी अबाउट व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट. स्मार्ट सिटीज़ के बारे में पूछा है तो व्हाट इज़ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ स्मार्ट सिटीज़, ठीक है. देन द मेन बॉडी ऑफ द आंसर हैज़ टू एड्रेस व्हाट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ स्मार्ट सिटीज़ एक्चुअली पूछा गया. हमेशा खुश करिएगा कि ओपनिंग लाइन ना थोड़ी इम्प्रेसिव होगी, सामने वाला खुश हो जाएगा, अरे क्या बात कर दी. सो फॉर इंस्टेंस कौन सा जुडिशरी पे क्वेश्चन था, एंड आई रिमेंबर दिस कोट. यू विल रीड सो मच. ऐसा नहीं है कि आई हैव दिस बैग ऑफ कोट्स. इट्स जस्ट दैट व्हेन यू रीड सो मच अपने आप यू विल रिमेंबर लाइन्स, हो जाता है अपने आप, डोंट वरी. सो देयर वाज आई फॉर इंस्टेंस आई स्टार्टेड एन आंसर दैट if the lamp of justice goes off, you can't imagine the amount of darkness. So if you begin with such lines, they become really happy. So you know the first 3 lines have to be, you know, thoda creative. It will come. ऐसा नहीं है I am very creative. He is very creative. I am not. So you know I'm telling you, it got developed with all the readings and whatever newspaper पढ़ा, editorials पढ़े, GSE पढ़ लिया. You get this. So he is one of the creative guys. I am not. So it's very very possible कि हो जाता है. आराम से हो जाता है. डरने की बात नहीं होती. And so first 3 lines आप वो लिखिए. Then main body में you address जो भी aspect पूछा है, and then you write the conclusion. Conclusion में you always have to be a positive person. A lot of people ask, ma'am, can we be critical of the government? Can we do this? Can we? Of course, you have to show that you are a practical person. आप realities जानते हैं, उनसे engage करते हैं, आप समझते हैं realities को. So of course आपके पास पूरा हक है कि आप negatives भी बताएं. But of course you have to always project yourself that you are a very positive person and you believe that improvement is possible. Things will change. You are brimming with positivity. So your conclusion always has to be like, of course, it is unfortunate कि ये चीज़ें हैं, but of course a lot of scope is there and a lot of things can be done. So you know they want people who are positive, who are willing to bring about change. So हमेशा conclusion has to be positive even if you have highlighted the negatives. And of course कोई अगर negative चीज़ है, अगर आप negatives highlight नहीं करेंगे तो they'll think that this person is not practical. So of course you have to, but end should always project you that हाँ he or she is a positive person. ठीक. Optional is very very important. Optional 500 marks का है. It will literally determine your entry into the list as well as the service as well as the cadre as well as everything else, the rank. So when you choose the optional, I think most of you must have chosen your optional. Classes भी शुरू कर लिया आप लोगों ने? जिन्होंने नहीं हाँ first day what? Oh, this is the first day. Sorry. In case you still haven't thought about the optional, I think you should take a day or two and actually think मैं क्या optional लूँ. Don't go by the trends. Geography is scoring. I will take geography, although I don't understand geography. ये सब नहीं, ठीक है. Like you have to take a day or two off. Think about कि अच्छा किस subject में I have an inherent interest. Okay, this subject seems interesting and it will not bore me to death if I study that subject, because the optional course is literally a graduation into itself. 3 साल की graduation होती है and आपको 3 साल का course करना है बहुत कम time में. तो अगर interest ना हो उस subject में, it becomes very very difficult. Are you getting my point? Please don't go by trends. All subjects are equally scoring. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है. It's not if you will perform well in that subject, automatically they'll give you that score. So it's absolutely nonsense that this subject is scoring, that subject is not scoring. It should be your interest, because पढ़ाई नहीं होती यार, बहुत कम time होता है, and if you lose your interest in the subject, it becomes hell. Right? So people who have not chosen optionals, please take a day or two, think, okay, this subject is interesting, probably I'll not be bored to death while reading so much. ठीक है. What else is left? What do you guys want me to talk about?
Some questions.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, because you know it's a open-ended thing. Like ये कर लेना, वो कर लेना. Yeah, you can ask me anything.
Is post-graduation really necessary for the optional?
Post-graduation? No, I'm a graduate. It was not necessary for me. It's not, absolutely. It's just a graduation course. NCRTs. Sir, NCRTs तब important होती है, मान लीजिए स्कूलिंग हमने इतनी सीरियसली ना की हो तो. और NCRTs अगर मान लो नहीं भी की हैं, यू बिलीव कि NCRTs शायद मुझे वापस फॉर ह्यूमैनिटीज़ आई हैव टू गो बैक टू देम अगेन, it's just for understanding. You never have to learn NCRTs. NCRTs just give you, like a brief introduction so that when you take up higher books like Bipin Chandra or you take Lakshmikant, you understand them better. उसमें प्रॉब्लम ना है. NCRTs नहीं भी करोगे, not a big deal. बट आई थिंक सर आप तो देते हैं NCRTs. हाँ सर, तो इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट का मेरे टाइम पे हैंड आउट्स थे. अभी भी है सर. या सो सर तो लाइक व्हाट ही डज द वर्क फॉर यू. व्हाट ही डज इज कि जो NCRT बुक्स हैं ऑलरेडी, उसमें से जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है फॉर UPSC, ही गिव्स यू हैंड आउट्स. सो यू डोंट इवन हैव टू लुक योर सेल्फ कि अच्छा दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी और नॉट. सो दैट्स वेरी गुड थिंग दैट ही डज. सो दैट्स स्पून फीडिंग जी. सो डोंट गेट वरीड. ऐसा नहीं, और NCRTs कुछ याद भी नहीं करनी होती, बस एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए होती है. नहीं भी करोगे तो क्लास में वो वैसे ही फ्रॉम स्क्रैच पढ़ाते हैं, इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, टेंशन मत लीजिए. और कुछ? हाँ जी मैम, मैंने क्या किया था कि ऑफ कोर्स आई, एज मोस्ट ऑफ यू मस्ट नो माई स्टोरी बाय नाउ, आई हैड डिसाइडेड दैट आई वांटेड टू गो फॉर द सर्विस, राइट. सो फोकस उस पर था, बट आई रियली कुड नॉट बैलेंस कॉलेज एकदम से. आई वॉज इन माई सेकेंड ईयर व्हेन आई केम टू KSG एंड मैंने इवनिंग क्लासेस लगाई थी क्योंकि सुबह कॉलेज होता था, तब भी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता था. बट मैंने क्या किया, उससे सॉर्ट ऑफ फोकस बन गया था, आइडिया लग गया था एग्जाम के बारे में. वन थिंग विच आई रियली डिड ड्यूरिंग माई कॉलेज ईयर्स वॉज दैट आई रेड द न्यूज़ पेपर. तो न्यूज़ पेपर रीडिंग इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. So this is one thing. But after my graduation only, I took a year and then prepared for it. When I graduated at 20, so 20 to 21 में मैंने prepare किया.
I would just like to add a bit now. If you are in college, I also prepared my last semester. last year.
Even he did.
Make sure that don't let your regular studies suffer. If you're doing engineering or doing something else, make sure that you study those subjects well also. Then you may have, if you have extra time in the morning or late evening, 5-6 4-5 घंटे निकाल पाते हैं, उसमें आप पढ़ाई कीजिए. उससे क्या होगा, you will be able to stay consistent. अदरवाइज अगर आपने क्या किया, वो पढ़ाई छोड़ के ये पढ़ाई
ग्रेजुएशन की पढ़ाई आप निगलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते.
एग्जाम पहुंच जाएगा, एग्जाम से एक आधा महीने पहले फिर आपका पूरा सिविल सर्विस वाला प्रिपरेशन गायब. और इसमें अगर डिसकंटिन्यूटी हुई पिछला, यू रिमेंबर, इट्स वाइल्ड नॉलेज. जैसे आप एक अगर बालू को पालतू रखेंगे ना, पालतू करने के बाद अगर उसको आप 5 दिन के लिए भी छोड़ दोगे, 6ठे दिन वो आपको खाने के लिए आएगा. ओके, द सेम हैपेंस हियर. सो इफ यू मेक श्योर दैट अगर आप हर दिन 2 घंटे भी पढ़ पाते हैं, एंश्योर दैट इट इज ऑल थ्रू. इवन एग्जाम टाइम में भी आप वो कैरी कर पाएंगे. सो बट इसलिए ये भी ज़रूरी है कि जो आपकी जो रेगुलर स्टडीज है, डोंट लेट देम सफर.
That's okay. That's completely fine. नहीं मैम, अगर वो 1 साल आप बहुत सिंसियरली करेंगे ना, इट्स मोर देन इनफ. ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं है, कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है. बट द ग्रेजुएशन पॉइंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ग्रेजुएशन को नेग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. आई थिंक बोथ अंशुल एंड अथर विल अग्री ऑन दिस पॉइंट दैट ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यूज, जब इंटरव्यू होते हैं, they of course ask you about your graduation and they will. My interview was 90% of it was dominated by questions on political science and international relations. एंड मेरे आगे पीछे दोनों इंजीनियर्स थे, ठीक है. मेरे को वो मेडिकल में मिले, बोलते यार तुम्हारी वजह से हमारा इंटरव्यू ख़राब हो गया. यू नो व्हाट डिड यू गो एंड डू. दे स्टार्टेड आस्किंग मी अबाउट इंजीनियरिंग. आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. टू ऑल इंजीनियर्स आउट हियर, you should know about engineering. You know, that's your graduation. You can't give this excuse that I don't know, ask me about my optional. So graduation has to be strong. मतलब basics तो पता होनी चाहिए. You graduated in it, right? कोई भी graduation. So graduation तो मैम neglect नहीं कर सकते. It's very important. Yes, sir.
You all people seem so positive. Is it after clearing it or it has been?
No, I want to speak on this. She has been exactly the same person. They have been exactly the same person, and they haven't changed. They've stayed positive all through. And I think she can end now, because I know that part.
आई थिंक पॉजिटिव बनाना पड़ता है खुद को, क्योंकि आई बिलीव दैट एवरी थर्ड डे you feel demotivated. You do. When you go to sleep and you're like, so much is left, this one scores more than me, this one already cleared, what to do, and this and that. My girlfriend wants me to clear IAS, my boyfriend wants me to clear IAS, my parents want, the relatives want, the neighbors want. So of course it's I will not deny the fact that it's very heart-wrenching, it's very depressing, but you have to make yourself positive, because if you don't make yourself motivated enough, it becomes very difficult. It's nearly 2 years of investment. 1 year you will prepare, the other year you will sit for the exam. It is very difficult अगर आप खुद से पॉजिटिव अपने आप को ना बना पाए, राइट? बनाना पड़ता है. It's difficult, but you have to be cheerful. Otherwise life becomes really sad. And I agree, it is heartbreaking, it is heart-wrenching. So whenever that third day comes, please talk to girlfriend, please talk to boyfriend, please talk to mummy and papa. It is necessary. हमेशा आप अपना एक सपोर्ट बना के रखिए जिसको आप एक्चुअली शेयर कर सकते हैं कि आज मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Every 15 days, of course, एक मूवी देखने जाइए. Every 15 days, go for shopping. The girls can go for shopping, the boys can go for whatever. So yeah, it is important, it is necessary, and we are all normal people. There's absolutely nothing extraordinary.
Sir, हमें कल बता रहे थे, I really like this point. First, we were talking somewhere that the road to success is never straight. It always goes through bumps and
Absolutely.
And you imagine one thing. कभी होता है ना कि like हम मुंह के बल गिर जाते हैं. You know what is मुंह के बल गिरना? That you fall on your face. But when you get up, you realize that you actually moved one step forward. Is it so? Doesn't happen.
That's positivity.
Even
That's
if you
positivity.
fall, so that should be the spirit.
Right? So that is how it is. It is it is difficult, but then it is very well doable. Yeah, I honestly did not even think I'll make it to the list this year, and I checked, 10 बार. अच्छा ये मेरा ही नाम है. ये कौन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में करता है यार? It's very unimaginable, but it happened, and it can happen to any one of you. Literally, I did not do anything special. I'm a very normal person, very average person with average intelligence. Athar is more intelligent than me. Like, I keep seeing this, so I'm telling you, it's very if you just need to be dedicated, sincere, and focused. और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, literally कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Right?
Thank you.
Chalo. Thank you so much. All the very best.